I was at a creek the other day training some university students how to handle and identify fish in the field. And one of them was trying to convince me very hard that the warmouth is the hybrid of the largemouth bass and the green sunfish. What do you think? We need to stop thinking that right now. That's actually the third time I've heard that in my life. I don't know where that urban legend started, but no, the warmouth is a species of its own. It is not a hybrid of the largemouth bass and the green sunfish. Some researchers in the 60s did actually try hybridizing largemouth bass and green sunfish, and they actually were able to get successful surviving offspring only from when, I believe, the largemouth bass was the female parent. Now, this is a very controlled setting where they're doing external fertilization, but it's sort of simple. I think I could have Aussie demonstrate what's going on later. I'll go like that, Aussie.
We'll do it.
She's holding the camera right now. Okay, you're gonna need to give me. Aussie has agreed to help me demonstrate external fertilization in fishes.
It's the time.
Yeah. This oil pan is a nest that I built. Aussie came along as a female and dropped her eggs in the nest.
That's a lot of eggs.
Actually, for a fish, that's not that many eggs.
Really?
They usually drop thousands at a time. I'm just gonna throw my sperm. All over the eggs. I missed, sorry. I'm not very good.
I didn't expect
And I missed some.
That's unfair.
This is external fertilization. Same way it's done in the lab, just a little bit more neat and concise.
I need a shower.
Basically, they just put some sperm on some eggs, grew them in a lab. That's a controlled setting. Out in nature, there are many rituals and other barriers that restrict them from hybridizing. Not to mention the genetics are just off. They found that when the green sunfish is the female parent, none of the offspring can even survive. So that doesn't make a warmouth though. But some researchers in the 70s actually were able to successfully hybridize largemouth bass with warmouth. Yeah. And I think there's a photo in a study. Let's see if I can pop that up for you. So it's pretty cool. But however, I have found no recordation of these warmouths or these hybrids from intergeneric, means between one genus and another genus. So we're thinking common sunfishes and black basses. In nature, it just doesn't happen. It's just too uncommon. If it does happen, it's not being observed. So let's stop thinking that the warmouth is a hybrid of the largemouth bass and the green sunfish. The warmouth, Lepomyscolosus, is a species of its own. So thank you to that undergrad who brought you this video from this idea. And thanks to Copper for whining during my video.
What about me?
And thank you to Aussie for holding the camera. Wait, I was going to film you. So we thank Aussie for holding the camera. Okay, we're done with work today. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
You want to go?
You wanna go home? You wanna go home? You wanna go home?